Hi there everybody, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I created this social media interactional website called Blogstar. So this is the front end, or rather, actually, this is the user interface of Blogstar. And on this website, we're able to do a number of things. We have five functionalities over here. We have two panels, and um, we have three selections, and we have a view of that selection over here. So the first option we have is to create a user. So in order to create a user, we simply click on the editor, the editor, and we type in the name of the user we want to create. So for instance, I can say my name is Michael, and I want to create myself as a user. I'll click create user, and then as you can see, it adds me to the list on the right side over here. We can also switch users. So if I choose to go to Eric, I'll click on Eric, and you can see it's highlighted as Eric. If I switch to Samishka, it will highlight as Samishka. So the next functionality we have is to view posts. So we simply click on view posts, and it shows us all the different posts starting from top to bottom. So the very first post at the top will be the latest post, whereas the most recent one will be at the very bottom. So now let's say we want to create a post. We'll simply click on create post. We'll type a message. Say, for instance, you want to say, hi, I am new to Blogstar. This platform is super exciting, right? And the next thing you'll do is you'll go to this button over here that says post. This is basically a submit button. So once I click on this, I should be able to have a view of all those posts. So as you can see, the most recent post we have is, "Hi, I'm new to Blogstar. This platform is super exciting." Okay, we can also update posts. So say I click on Eric and I click on update post. I now have the option to select which post I want to update. Say I'll update for Pandora. There's a bound to be a piece of music for each emoji. Let's see what we can replace this with. Instead, we can say music is the taste of life. Try Pandora. Okay. And then we click on edit. And this will change on the view posts editor. So you can see here now Eric has printed out this message, music is the taste of life, try Pandora. Another option we have is to delete a post. So simply click on delete post. And then you can see that we have these three options. I'm going to say I want to delete the very last message. If I try to edit this, you'll see it doesn't allow me to edit. So that's basically a way of preventing users from preventing users from being able to alter the data that's within the system. So now we're going to click delete, and that should delete. And Eric's post, his third post is gone. Yeah. One more thing I would like to bring to your attention is that there's a max limit of 8 users. So the way the social media interactional website was designed is that you can create a maximum of 8 users, but you can't delete any users. So I've done it this way because I wanted to demonstrate exactly how this entire user interface works. So let's actually try this out and see what happens. A, B, C, D. So as you can see, now it says we have a max limit, so we can no longer create any more users. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's Blogstar. You can see there's a lot of functionality being put into this entire design. We have highlighting. Whenever you hover over a button, the color changes. There's also a copyright tag at the very bottom over here. So this is the basics of what we're able to do at Strap Business Solutions to be able to sell you solutions can that that can to be able to sell you solutions that where we're able to build social media platforms. And going into this, it was quite difficult to begin with, but after a couple of attempts, after a couple of when you look at if you look at the back end of this entire programming user interface over here, you'll see that a lot has gone into this. Our company used EJS to be able to create this Blogstar website. We had an index.js template. We're using arrays. We're using so many different things over here. But I'm not going to go into the backend functionality because the whole point is to show you what we're able to sell you as a company, right? So if you feel like you would like to reach out to us to build your own social media website, whether it be like a WhatsApp or maybe a Facebook or something that's in along those lines, you can see that we're capable and we're able to do it. So don't feel yeah. So if you want to reach out to Strap Business Solutions, make sure that you contact strapbsolutions at gmail.com. If you want to get in touch with me, my number is 078 If you want to get in contact with us in any way, please look at the description below. Please look at the description. Please look at our uh, YouTube page and just see and have a look at what we're able to do. And as far as that goes, thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.